Hey everyone, welcome back to part 5, the series finale of our Cupples Company Golf Club restoration. You saw in the last video we were able to put the grip on. Now we are ready to affix the head. Using just a standard 2-part epoxy, we're just going to mix that together, then kind of slather it all over the tip of the hickory shaft. Now the head should be fairly easy to slide on, but it needs to also be snug. So you want to dry fit this before you actually put the epoxy on. So we have a perfect fit. We're going to go ahead and put the screw in. Now ideally you would like to have some sort of a pin, maybe the original one that you used when you knocked it out, but in our case we had to drill it out. So we're starting over with a stainless steel screw, which fits perfect. We'll need to grind this down, which is pretty easy. Using a Dremel tool, you can really just pretty much shave that right off. Slow. Using a grinding wheel, we're just going to shave down any parts of the screw that were sort of protruding from the side of the club head. To finish up this process, we're just going to start polishing and get it ready for play.
Today we're going to see if the 1920s golf club from Cupples Company in St. Louis, Missouri, that's a 5 Mashie, projected to go 125 to 135 yards, fully restored hickory shaft with new grip. Let's see if it can actually go its projection. This is the first time this has been swung, so let's hope it doesn't break. Easily. We got 142 yards carry, 152 yards length total. I think we exceeded our 135 yards. No cracks, still works great.
Thanks everyone for watching. This was a really fun project for me to work on. If you want to see similar videos of restorations and some woodworking, hit the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. Have a great day, everyone.